Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today let's do a quick review of Vilvah lip scrub. The brand claims that this preps your dry lips before applying a lipstick or a lip tint. We'll discuss more on this. Whether you need this or not, we'll discuss more on this as well. So if you haven't yet subscribed my channel but you will enjoy watching beauty, fashion and lifestyle related content, then consider subscribing my channel by pressing the subscribe button, the bell icon just next to it, and give this video a big thumbs up, and let's just get into the video. The first pro of this product is that this is free from silicone, sulfates, parabens, and this is also free from artificial fragrance. First con of this product could be the pricing, because 15 grams of this retails for rupees 290, but a little goes a long way, so this tub is going to last for a few months, so that justifies the price of the product. The life of this is 10 months from the date of manufacturing. Before moving on to the packaging of the product, I just felt like sharing something with you guys. So I went onto their official website, Vilvah's official website, and there they have mentioned that they source their ingredients from local farmers, and that's how they are supporting the families of local farmers. I just felt like this is such a nice thought, and I felt like sharing with you guys before getting into the main video. Now let's talk about the packaging. The packaging is a pro because this comes in this little tiny metal container, which is very cute, but this is metal container which makes it very travel friendly. Let's talk about the texture, formula and consistency of the product. Talking about the texture of the product is buttery, but this has got tiny crumbly particles of sugar in it. The sugar particles are not very powdery. It is fine and it's not going to hurt your lips, so but still it's little crumbly. The consistency of this is a mixture of shea butter, sugar and almond oil. The fragrance is of lemon essential oil. When you will rub this on your lips, you will get that lemon essential oil fragrance, which is very prominent. How to use this? You have to take a tiny pinch of this and then rub onto your lips for 2 minutes, and then rub it very gently and rub it on for 2 minutes and then wash off your lips. The brand claims that you can use this every alternate days, but I generally use this once in 2 to 3 days, sometimes even once in 4 days is something that I use. About the ingredients, this contains organic shea butter, organic sugar, lemon essential oil, almond oil, avocado oil. This also contains beeswax in it, which makes it vegetarian and not vegan. So if you are looking for a completely vegan product, this is not that. Now the lemon essential oil, basically it acts as a natural bleaching agent which removes pigmentation, which will help in lightening up the pigmentation of your lips, of course in long run. Shea butter helps in softening your lips and moisturizing your lips. This melts on your lips very well. Do you need to spend rupees 290 to get this product? And the answer is, if you are actively looking for a fuss-free lip care product and you don't want to do DIY at your home because you don't have time or you don't have energy or patience of any of that sort, then you can definitely give this one a try. It's better than the homemade ones. Now it's up to you whether you want to do DIY or you want to invest on this or any other lip scrub. Okay, so yeah, that's all in my today's video. I have honestly shared my point of view of this product. If you like my honest review, then definitely give this video a big fat thumbs up, subscribe, press the bell icon, and I'll meet you soon in my next video. Until then, bye and take care.